Hi there, folks. Elaine here with WTI. Are you always looking for your cords and your plugs for your technology? Well, I am. But now, thanks to this ever so handy electronics organizer bag, I always have my tech things easily accessible. Yes, I definitely love being ultra prepared. Can you imagine all these things fit in this? I can't go anywhere without my 8-foot long cable. I have my watch charger, my two plugs, other cables, headphones for the plane jacks, and even my wireless mic set. You name it, and I have it in this case. Its 7 by 4 size carries my huge load of tech things neatly. It's not bulky and it's absolutely adorable in this pink color. And there are 5 others to choose from. There's even a handy strap to carry it easily. It was very helpful to keep my electronics organized on my recent trip. I just love that I had it with me. I love it. It's so fun. It brings a smile to my face and keeps me well organized. And that's my point of view.